How's it going? We're up here at US 27 Motorsports today checking out this 2023 SSR Bison 500. Let's go ahead and dive in and check out some of the features. On the Bison 500, right from the factory, it comes outfitted right with the winch, so it's going to make light work no matter what we throw at it. As you can see, it also comes with a windshield, mirrors, and a roof to keep you protected from the elements and to kind of help navigate you throughout your way. Checking out the interior, real simple layout, easy navigation, easy to read panels. Everything that you need is fingertip or touch away. Make it real easy to do what you got to do. All right, going over some of the features, definitely want to point out this does have the electric assist dump bed. Let's go ahead and check this out. As you can see, you ain't even going to have to get out of the cab to dump the bed. It's going to make light work for you. One thing I definitely want to point out as well is the Bison 500's got a heater. You have to click that. You see both of the heat elements right there. It'll blow out nice hot air for you. This also does have a blinker system. But a lot of really cool features right from the factory. And I know what you're thinking. This thing's got to be an arm and a leg. Well, I tell you what, it's not. It retails at $10,999. We have it on sale right now for $89,999. That's a saving of over $2,000. Let's go ahead and do an exterior walk around real quick. But as always, if you like what you see and you want some more information, feel free to give us a call, 989-224-8874. Go ahead and smash that link in the description to learn a little bit more about it. You can apply for our easy financing options. But this has every bell and whistle that you could really want for an entry-level side-by-side. It's not going to break the bank. This would be perfect to have around the house. Again, the number is 989-224-8874. Appreciate you guys for watching.